In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily use one of these printers. Now, you can see right here when we actually approach it, there's actually a few different options, whether you're going to print, scan, copy, or actually do a fax of something. In this case, I want to print something, so I'm going to click on that. And you're going to want to click on this option called email, because you can email all your documents to this printer, which is by far the easiest way to print stuff. Now, the next thing you'll have to do is you need to pay before you actually use this thing. In this case, I'm going to use a credit card, but basically you put down a down payment. Now, it can be $5 to $100, and depending on how much it actually costs for you to print your goods, basically you will get a full refund for all of that money you didn't spend. And you basically want to tap your Apple Card or insert your card right here. And again, the prices are on the top of the printer. It will charge you once your print is done only. Now, you can pause the video here if you want to see these more. But the next thing that you're actually going to want to do once you've paid to use this printer and gotten your credit, you want to click on the continue option. And basically you can see right here, you want to enter in your phone number if you want to link your membership to this printing process. And once you've done that, this is basically where you can select your membership if you want to. In this case, I'm going to skip and click on continue option, but basically you can see right here, this is where we actually begin the process. So all you need to do now is you need to email officedepot@printme.com, and basically you're going to receive a code that you type into this printer, which will allow you to print your documents. You can see right here, I'm actually emailing this printer, and once you've actually entered your email, it's basically going to likely send you a response almost immediately. Mine went to my spam personally. I had to look for it for a second, but using this code, you're going to want to click on it, and you can see right here your custom code that you can actually use for the printer. And basically with this code, what you're going to want to do is you basically want to copy it, memorize it, and then type it into the printer like so. Now, once you've actually put your code into the printer, you click on OK in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can see right here, you can select all the documents that you want to print. Now in this case, I'm just going to click on this one since I'm doing one, and you can choose black or white or color. Color is obviously more expensive, and you can change double-sided, staple, or any of these other custom settings like so. Now, once you're ready to print, you click on the OK option right here, and you can see right here, it'll simply print your document, and it's really simple to do. And basically it'll charge you, and you can actually see how much it costs right here. Mine costs 24 cents. And basically, if you do want to see your receipt, if you want an email receipt or a printer receipt, it'll give you the option on the screen as well. And basically, that's all you need to do to print something on this printer. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below. Have a great day and happy printing. Hope this helps.